Imagine if you can keep your website open 24/7 without wasting thousands on inventory. In this video, I'm going to be exposing the secret pre-order method that the biggest brand owners are gatekeeping. With this strategy, I've been able to scale my brand from 0 all the way up to 6 figures using this method. And this strategy is called the infinite pre-order method. Basically, what the infinite pre-order method is that it allows you to operate like a normal website and you're able to keep your site open 24/7 opposed to having it open short term like we do with the normal pre-orders. This allows you to keep your website open and customers to buy from you anytime. I'm going to be breaking down this method fully in this video, so make sure y'all stay to the end because I got a special announcement. Without further ado, let's get into it. So like I mentioned earlier, this literally functions like a pre-order. The only thing different with this is that you're placing an order every week, and typically depending on your product, you'll get your bulk order in a shorter time frame. So let me break this down for y'all. So the first things first that you guys want to do is create a website on Shopify. Hopefully, God willing, y'all already have that. Next thing you guys want to do is start selling your product. So for example, my infinite pre-order product is these hoodies right here. Set it up on your shipping page to have customers know what's going on and how this is functioning. And the third most important step in the beginning is to find a good manufacturer who's willing to do this. So I'm not sure, just right off the gate, if China manufacturers are willing to do this, because I know typically in China, it takes longer to get your bulk and it's more expensive. So I don't know if it works with China manufacturers, just trying to let y'all know. But definitely with certain Pakistan manufacturers, this method is definitely going to work. I've only seen people who use Pakistan manufacturers really just pull off this method in general. Once you find your manufacturer, once you have all the back end stuff figured out, what you're going to want to do is open up your Shopify store and start selling. So you want to hype up your drop. You want to do A to Z. And I can also make a video on that if y'all want me to, on how to like prepare for drops. But anyways, get your drop loaded up, and assuming people are buying from your brand, what you would typically do in a normal pre-order method is leave your site open for like 1 or 2 weeks and just kind of like, you know what I'm saying, lose out on a lot of money. You know what I mean? And this is why I like the infinite pre-order method, and this is why I've been able to scale my brand with it, is because like a normal online store, people can just buy your product anytime that they want. The risk that you have with the pre-order method is when you close down your website, people are not even gonna shop with you. You know what I'm saying? The next time that they're going to shop with you is when you restock, or is when you do the pre-order method again. With the infinite pre-order method, you have the availability to keep your website open 24/7, meaning you can literally make money while you're sleeping. So while your customers are racking up, while your customers are ordering, typically every Friday or every Saturday or every Sunday, somewhere in that time range, you would want to place your bulk order with your manufacturer. And then in Shopify, you would want to go and make a bulk sheet for the orders of that week. So for example, from Monday to Friday, you would want to see the orders and basically create a sheet, and Shopify does it all for you. You can just make a bulk sheet or export a sheet from Shopify and just do it up. But then you place the order with your manufacturer. Make sure your manufacturer is trusted. I usually just do a whole payment because there's no point in just doing 2 separate, because I trust my manufacturers. I'll place the payment with my manufacturer. It would take them anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks to make the product, to make the hoodie, this hoodie right here. And then basically what they would do is ship it out to me. And just like any other pre-order, any other way you ship your product, you would receive it, you would ship it out, and your customer is happy. But the only thing that's different now is that you're just updating your customer all throughout the way. So if you guys are using like SMS platforms or email platforms, I'd recommend making like a flow or like a campaign for people who place an order, right? So on my Shopify store, I have Klaviyo, and I'm able to make a flow for people who place an order. So if you place an order for these hoodies right here, you get a series of email every single week updating you on a product and where it's at. That's how I have the system set up. And trust me, y'all, if y'all are doing pre-orders, this is the method that you want to use. You guys are missing out on so much orders and so much people who want your brand. I feel like one of the most annoying things as a brand owner is when you close your website and people are waiting for you to buy and restock, and you never restock that item again. You know what I'm saying? Like, even us as customers, when you see, for example, Nike, they're selling the next Jordan 11, or then they're selling the next Jordan 5, right? And you just have all these people buying. These people have bots buying for them, stuff like that, and then they sell out, and you can't order it again next time until you have to buy it from a reseller. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just super frustrating, super annoying. Think about how much customers you're losing out on. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all apply this, add this. If I wasn't clear in any step, I'm just going to go over it once more again so y'all understand and y'all get what to do. So the first things first, what you want to do is launch your website, create a product, make sure everything like that is on the go. And then you want to leave your website open, for example, forever. And every week during the lifetime of your website, you want to have people place the order, and you want to place an order with your manufacturer every week. And basically, your manufacturer will make it, will ship it, it. And yeah, that's basically it. Just some pointers that I want to give y'all out when it comes to finding the right manufacturer. Make sure you guys are discussing prices right away, because a lot of manufacturers will just assume that you're just doing a pre-order method, or just assuming that you're ordering like a low amount of pieces, like 30 or 50. So what you guys really want to make clear when you're talking to your manufacturer in these beginning stages, before you even start your infinite pre-order method, is agree on a flat rate price no matter how much orders you get. And to be honest, this method only works with like 10 orders a week. So if you're not getting more than 10 orders a week, this method is not for you. Your manufacturer wants to make money, and it's just good for them as well on that end, right? You guys want to be having consistent orders every single week and having a good winner product that you guys know that would be successful. So again, agree on a flat rate for your hoodies. For example, for me, my hoodies are like $20, or they were $20 before. So we would agree no matter what the quantity was. If it was 100, if it was 10, if it was 15, if it was 30, the flat price would still be $20 a hoodie. You know what I mean? So that's how we do it. That's exactly how I run this method up. And this is how the other big brand owners do it. If y'all want to learn more, y'all can join my free Discord. I have plenty of free game there, and I have a community of like-minded Christian believers. If you guys do have a Christian brand, and even if you don't, I would invite you to join. I also have mentorship, one-on-one mentorship down below if y'all are interested in that. But yeah, man, that's how I was able to scale my brand up to 6 figures using this method. So hopefully this video anoints y'all. Hopefully this video blesses y'all. Y'all take care. Y'all stay safe. Easy.